Hey there! Let me show you how to make handling your camera way easier with a 3D printed side handle. Simply import my free design into your preferred slicer, set the parameters to 4 and infill density to 25%. Quickly check it before sending it to the printer via Octoprint. By the way, you can find the links to all files in the description. Next, you take a 1/4 inch by 3/4 inch hex nut and insert it into the handle. Then simply screw it tight into your camera. And of course, it is also working with other cameras, like the Sony ZV-1 and a GoPro.